guys? Madam here with a market update. Not too much to mention, but it's been a little bit since I've done a video. So I'm going to show you my current farm, current situation, current market situation, and what my plans are from here. Okay. So here is my farm currently. I have 3 fishing rods and 5 axes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, 1 axe and 4 stone axes. I have a bronze and silver wood membership, and I have a food membership, bronze one that I crafted last week. I am very close to being able to craft a silver membership. I've been holding on to my farmer coins to try to craft a silver. I'm going to be going for silver food. If I get that, I will probably keep that and sell the bronze member card, or I might keep both for now, just to earn a bunch more farmer coins and see if I can craft more member cards to sell on Atomic Hub, because right now that kind of seems to be the most lucrative way of doing things, just given the current market. So if we go over to Alcor Exchange, you can see the 3 tokens in the game, the wood, gold, and food are all trending upwards, we'll say, today. Started yesterday a little bit, but today is up a little bit more than it has been in the past. It goes up and down every day, so nothing exciting going on one way or another. There was a little pop a few days ago, and during that time frame, let's see, where are we? I think it was right in here. During that time frame, I ended up crafting a couple fishing rods to sell on Atomic Hub, and I ended up kind of within maybe a 30-minute time period crafting one, selling one, crafting one, and I didn't sell before everything started trending down again. So it was just like a quick little pop. I was able to take advantage of that a little bit and sell my rod for, I think I sold it for like $90 or so. And of course, then it went back down. And what are we at now for a fishing rod? Okay, so now you can get it for 135 wax or $61. So, selling one for $90 over the past couple of days is actually not a bad deal. So that was a way to, recoup a little bit of my investment. I might look at doing that again if I can follow this close enough to see an increase. Like right now, we'll see. I might sell one of the fishing rods because I have 3 going, and that's just because one of the ones I crafted I didn't end up selling for what I wanted to get, so I figured I'd just put it to use. So that's where I am with my farm. And then I was in Discord. I have to go back to it. If you go to the Discord channel, you can see any announcements from the developers, and their latest one is that they're doing a giveaway. So I followed the instructions, so I'm in on the giveaway, and that is to share from their Twitter account the information about the giveaway. So you can get to my Twitter, and it's under Madam, so it should be pretty easy to find, and then go to their Twitter, retweet the giveaway, and then go to this form through the link. And obviously I already responded, but you would enter your wax wallet. They're giving away 20 fishing nets and 80 axes. So it'd be really awesome to get one of those fishing nets. So fingers crossed, but you can enter that by following the instructions on their Twitter, or you can get to the information on Discord as well. I don't really follow the channel too much. It's just so much negativity that I can't handle it. All I can do at this point is hold, keep farming, and see what the next update is. So we'll look forward to seeing that hopefully within the next week or so from the developers, but I will be following the announcements on Discord, and that's about all I do over there. So, all right, that is the update for today. Subscribe to my channel for more Farmers World videos and updates.